Good evening, everybody. I'm Miss Martin, and I have your students this semester for a health and wellness course. I want to apologize first off for not being able to be here in person with you. I recently got married, and we are on our honeymoon, so I pre-recorded this so that I can give you guys some information about the course, tell you what's been going on, tell you a little bit about myself, and tell you what the rest of the course is going to look like. So a little bit about me. This is my 6th year of teaching, my 2nd here at Manheim Township. Really enjoyed my first year here last year, despite all the interruptions and oddities of that year, but really excited to be back here the 2nd year. I also coach the junior high girls basketball team. Really enjoy basketball. I played myself through high school and college. I just really enjoy coaching and teaching young players to learn to love the game. So an overview here of the health and wellness course. Okay? We look into all aspects of health. There's a reason it's called health and wellness. So we look at the mental side, the emotional side, the physiological side, and the social side of health. We're going to look at those issues most relevant to the young adults that we have in the course, so your students. We look and want to emphasize health skills and decision making. It's one thing to know the information, but how they apply that and use that to make their decisions and make informed decisions for themselves and what is best for their health is really important to us as we go through this course. We're going to look into quality of life and start to discuss, what health looks like in the future, how it might change for your students as they continue to grow and mature. And learning how to access valid information with all the information that is out there and available to them and right at their fingertips anymore. It's really important for them to be able to kind of sift through all that and find what is in fact valid and going to be most beneficial for them and their health individually. So the goal for the course, is to develop students' confidence in their health skills. So we look at 10 different health skills throughout the course, and we spend time practicing each of those health skills. An example of one of those health skills is decision making. Another one is our accessing of information. We look into goal setting. We look into communication. We look into the influences that are part of people's health decisions. But really the goal is for your student to leave the course having spent some time thinking about their own individual health and just determining what's going to be the best course of action for me individually for my own health. Then be able to feel confident enough to use the skills that they may already have or have continued to develop or have learned during the course to take that and make those choices. Or if they make a choice that's not the best for their health, how do they move forward and how do they evaluate that decision that they made and move forward from that. The units that we cover is social health, mental health, physical health, drugs and alcohol and addiction, human sexuality, and nutrition. Throughout each of those units, and like I said, we pull those health skills into each of those units and discuss the risk factors that are out there, the draws and the drawbacks to certain activities, certain risk activities, looking at their values and what they value most for their health and how to keep their health as rounded and well taken care of as they can. As far as evaluation and assessment go in this course, there's a variety of knowledge-based, project-based, and skill-based assessments. Some of those are via Schoology. Some of those are going to be presentations. Some of those are going to be projects where the students are creating and showing us through that project what they've learned and how they've connected the content to maybe something relevant or specific to themselves. At the end of the course, we do put together a health portfolio, so your student will have an individual health portfolio at the end that helps them kind of lay out and look at what they've learned throughout the course, but also how they've applied it to their own lives and their own health. If you guys have any questions, you feel free to email me at any point or give me a call. My email is listed here on this slide for you to have. The phone number there as well is the school district's number, and then they'll transfer you to my phone here at school. But I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have, or just provide any help that we might need for your student, and I'll communicate as much as I can with you guys about the happenings in class and what's going on with your student and what assistance we might need to get them, or if they're doing well, send out a positive shout out as well. That is all I have for you guys this evening. If any of you have questions, like I said, you can feel free to email me or give me a call, and we can talk those questions out and get you some answers. I've enjoyed so far the time that I've had with your students. They've all been great and involved in discussions, and look forward to the rest of our semester together and seeing them continue to grow as young adults.